Welcome to the Danesh Academy channel. In this video, you will learn how to install Visual Studio Code. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so don't worry if you're just getting started.
To download the program, first open your web browser and search for Visual Studio Code on Google. From the search results, click on the official website, which is code.visualstudio.com. To download the program, click on the download button on the home page. Now, click on the direct download link to go to the download page. On this page, you can download the version compatible with your system. After downloading the appropriate version, run the downloaded file. Select the I accept the agreement option, then click on the Next button. In this section, you need to choose the installation location for the program. By default, the program will be installed on the C drive. In this step, you'll see the Select Start Menu folder window. This screen asks, where should Setup place the program shortcuts? By default, the Setup will create a folder named Visual Studio Code in your Start menu to store the program shortcuts. If you'd like to choose a different location, simply click the Browse button. You can also uncheck the Don't Create a Start Menu Folder option if you prefer not to have a Start Menu folder. To proceed, click Next.
Here you can choose extra tasks to perform during the installation. The question asked is, which additional tasks should be performed? You'll see several options under Additional Icons and other categories. First, you can select Create a Desktop Icon to add a shortcut on your desktop, currently checked by default. Under Other, you have the following options, all checked by default. Add Open with Code action to Windows Explorer File Context menu to open files directly in Visual Studio Code. Add Open with Code action to Windows Explorer Directory Context menu for folders. Register code as an editor for supported file types to set it as the default editor, and Add to Path requires shell restart to make the program accessible from the command line, though this may need a system restart. Select the task you'd like, then click Next to proceed. This screen displays the settings you've selected for installing the program. It shows details like the installation location, Start menu folder, and additional tasks you've chosen. If everything looks correct and you're ready to proceed, select the Install option to begin the installation. Now, we'll wait for the installation process to complete. This stage may take a little time depending on your system, so please be patient. Once the installation process is complete, this window will appear. To launch the program, simply check the Launch Visual Studio Code option and then click Finish to exit the setup and start using the software. After launching the program, this screen will be displayed. To use Python within the program, we need to install its extension, which we will explain in detail in the next steps. To install an extension, follow these essential steps. Once the main screen is displayed, look at the left sidebar. Here you'll see a set of icons. Click on the Extensions icon, which looks like 4 small squares, or a sidebar with a split design, typically the 5th icon from the top. This opens the Extensions Marketplace. In the search bar at the top, type Python and press Enter. You'll see several options, but look for the official one provided by Microsoft, titled Python. Click on it to view the details. Next, click the green Install button. Wait a moment as the extension downloads and sets up. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once installed, you'll see the button change to Uninstall, indicating the extension is ready. To confirm it's active, you can click the Reload button if prompted, or simply start a new Python file. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.